Huawei MatePad SE, this version 4GB memory and 64GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Open box and with completion. Okay, in completion we have tablet. On this, adapter for charging. And on this, cable and key for SIM slot. Okay, turn on box. Talk about tablet. Still made from metal. Main camera on the back side. On the front side, 6.4-inch display. On this side, speakers, port for headphones. On this side, Type-C port, speakers, upside power button and warm buttons. Turn on device. Okay, open settings. About tablet we have Harmony OS. Harmony OS 3.0.0. RAM memory 4GB. Processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 680. Memory resolution Full HD+. Okay. Display IPS we have. Look into the benchmark results. Under the benchmark results, okay. Okay, system we have CPU, display, battery. Android we have 12 Android. Close this. App gallery. Device without Google services, without Play Market, without YouTube. Can't work on this tablet. We can only use apps from App Gallery or APK download. Download APK and Instagram works on the device. Okay, close. Main camera 5 megapixels, front camera 2 megapixels. Simple camera. Okay, Diablo Immortal doesn't work on this device, but Easiest game, Subway Surfers, works on this device. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.